Welcome to the WP Aim configuration videos for the WP Aim WordPress theme. This video assumes that you've watched the initial videos and that you already have the WP Aim automated income machine WordPress theme installed in your website. Now we're going to talk about the widgets that come with the theme. In the previous videos, we talked about the AIM theme configuration options that you get by going to the left-hand sidebar in your dash bar and clicking on AIM theme to go to the theme page. We've already talked about the tabs that are there in the main settings: layout, backgrounds, color scheme, home page content, posts and pages content, and navigation. We've gone over all that. Now we're going to talk about widgets, and the reason that I showed those and I showed the AIM theme configuration is that I wanted to point out the fact that the settings for the widgets are not within the AIM settings at all. If you've worked with WordPress and themes before, you know they're under Appearance and Widgets, because that's where theme widgets appear automatically when a theme is installed. Now that the page is reloaded, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the widgets that come with the WP Aim theme. This would be a good time to mention WordPress automatically has widgets installed by default, ones that come with it out of the box. The Akismet widget is for spam and specifically works with the Akismet plugin. The Archives widget shows in a list archive of pages previously posted, a monthly archive of your site's post. You can also post a calendar, a categories widget listing all your categories, some kind of custom menu, links, the meta or login for your site, the WordPress pages, recent comments, recent posts, the RSS feed link, entries from another RSS feed, a search box, a tag cloud, or just arbitrary text. The widgets that come with the WP Aim theme are as follows: Google Ads, Google Ads for the body, Google Ads for the footer, social networks, and the first one we'll be talking about is the social networks widget. Now, for our test site that we've been using here in these videos, I already have the social networks widget installed. The way you install a widget is you drag it from its location over here to somewhere and let go, and then it installs automatically. I've installed the social networks widget, and let me show you how the configuration works. For the WP Aim theme, you have the ability to show a link for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google Buzz, or your RSS link. You can use any or all of these links in your website, and all you have to do is type the location of those. In other words, if your Facebook link was facebook.com / Justin Bieber, then that's what you type in here for the Facebook link. Same with your Twitter profile, your LinkedIn profile, your YouTube profile, your Google Buzz profile, and last, the RSS link to your RSS feed in your website. For nearly all websites, that's going to be the name of your domain / feed. Now, the only icons and links that will show on your home page when using the social network widget are the ones that you have entered a URL for. I entered a URL for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and my RSS link. When you look at the sidebar in our test site, you see only 4 links: Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and the RSS feed. There's 2 more slots that are simply left blank. If you decide to use just your Facebook link and the RSS feed, only 2 icons will show. The icons automatically show, and they're automatically linked to the appropriate location based on what you entered in widget settings. So the social networking widget that comes with the WP AIM theme for free is very easy to use, very easy to configure. All you have to do is drag it over to your left sidebar, and all you have to do is enter the locations of your profiles. Now we're going to talk about Google Ads for just a second. The widgets, this would be a good time to talk about the widgets that come with the WP AIM theme. Every WordPress theme has the ability to have widgetized areas. Widgetized areas are areas where you can take your available widgets and drag them and then have them install. Some WordPress themes have widgetized areas for the header, some for the sidebar, some for the footers, some for all three. Some even have widgets that install content on specific pages. The widgetized areas in the WP AIM theme are the left sidebar, the footer widget area, before post content, and after post content. Now what that means is, within our theme, anything we drag to the widgetized area for the left sidebar will show on our test site in this gray left sidebar area. Every widget that we've added has its own section. The social bookmark section has no header. It's just images and icons. This next section, the header for the AdSense ads that we're displaying here, is entitled You Might Like. I entered that myself. The heading or header for the widget for the search box is entitled Search Ladies Watches. The heading for the section listing my pages of the website is entitled Pages and Recent Products, and then I also have my tag cloud in my left-hand sidebar. The other widgetized areas are, number 2, the footer widget area. Within the WP AIM theme, we have a footer that supports 4 widgets, a widgetized area that supports 4 widgets. From left to right, I have links, exclusive offer, categories, and recent posts in my footer, each with a heading with text. The third widgetized area is before post content, and the fourth widgetized area is after the post content. Now again, this is kind of like the posts and pages area. What happens here is anything that you put in the widget before post content will appear on every single post in the website. Whatever you put after the post content as a widget will show after every single post on the website. Now what we've done is we don't have anything showing before all the posts on the website, but we do have some affiliate code in here leading to a website, an affiliate link for a website showing a banner ad after the post content on every single post of the website. Very simple, very easy to use.